Welcome back to AZE English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is going to the doctor.
Many English learners feel nervous when they visit a doctor because they don't know how to explain their symptoms.
Exactly. Even simple things like I have a headache or I feel tired can be difficult to say when you're stressed.
Ben, do you remember your last doctor visit?
Yes, I went last month. I had a cold and I didn't feel well, but the doctor was very kind and asked simple questions.
That's good. My last visit was for a checkup. I always feel a little nervous, but it's important.
So today, we'll listen to a simple conversation between a patient and a doctor.
All right, let's go to the scene. Listen carefully.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel very warm.
Okay, I'll check your temperature. Yes, you have a small fever.
Oh, I see.
Don't worry, it's probably a cold. You need rest and warm drinks.
Should I take medicine?
Yes, you can take this medicine twice a day.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
That was a very clear and helpful conversation.
Yes, and I like how the doctor asked simple questions. What's the problem? And do you have a fever?
Maria also explained her symptoms very well. Headache, sore throat, fever.
Exactly. And now let's look at some useful words from the conversation.
Headache, pain in your head. Example, I have a headache.
Sore throat, pain in your throat. Example, it hurts when I swallow.
Fever, your body is too warm. Example, I have a fever.
Medicine, something you take to feel better. Example, take this medicine twice a day.
Try practicing simple sentences like, I don't feel well, or I have a headache.
You can also practice asking questions like, should I take medicine? Or what should I do?
Tell us in the comments, when was the last time you went to the doctor?
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the AZE channel for more English listening practice. See you in the next episode.